It's been 2 months living here in Sweden. 2 months since we got the keys to our dream spot. And this video is going to be about what we did, what happened the last 2 months. We sold our house in the Netherlands, put everything in a shipping container, and lived in our van for 11 weeks. In the meantime, we found a place, our dream spot actually, the place we bought. And we didn't really do a lot about the house. We painted some rooms because the weather is still like amazing. And if we can do stuff outside, then that's a priority for now, because when winter hits, then there's not a lot to be done outside. To move some furniture up the stairs, we had to demolish the staircase. I still have to put those things back. But it all fits, and yeah, the room is a bit more what we want. When the container came, the truck that delivered it got stuck, but there was a good way to meet our neighbor who helped us with a towing company as well to get the truck out again. We obviously had a moose in our garden. That was like week number 2. That was amazing. He came for our apples. We've got a couple of apple trees. We had cows on a part of our property. We had a lot of wood delivered, like more than 20 cubic meters. And yeah, we're probably gonna need that this winter. So I'm glad we have that. We had a road trip to an old car graveyard that's completely overgrown. A very beautiful thing to see. Nature in general is very beautiful here. This is our spot where we drink coffee almost every morning. The sky is really beautiful here. It's, yeah, I'm totally amazed every time. We had a bird that ate our windowsill, and later a lot of birds. I think all the putty is gone now. I made a bird feeder to distract them from that, but that doesn't really work. So I'm gonna need some unedible window putty. I try to make some room in the barn, put up some lights. We had a bit of a storm. I replaced our damaged mailbox. I think that was very necessary. We started with a veggie garden. I made a lot of raised beds and made some fencing with all kinds of materials we found around the property, and I think that turned out really great. Got some lights in there now. Future plans. I built a mock-up of a quarter pipe because I wanted to feel if this space is big enough to have the ramp this way. If I put it that way, it's big enough that it's absolutely no problem, and that would be an amazing mini ramp and a dream come true. But if this is possible, and I kind of think it is, maybe I have to scale it down a little bit, but I don't want to scale it down too much. If you're grinding this way, you don't want to hit your head or your arms on all these beams. So I'm still a little bit doubtful about this scale, but if I scale it down a little bit so the coping can come in a little bit, make more room here, then I think it will be possible to make a bowl. And that would really be a dream come true. So for now, I'll walk this way so the camera can follow me. Yeah. I have to order some sheet material and other stuff for the workshop. That's a future video, I think next week, if that depends on when it's going to be in. But I'm going to order a little bit of extra material so I can build a small portion of the mini ramp, so I can test it out, because part of me says it can go this way on this scale. Part of me says maybe you're gonna hit your head or your arms. So I think the only way is to try it out. So it really depends on when the materials come in. I still have to order it, so I don't know if it's going to be next week. But anyway, next week I still have to do a lot of framing for the workshop, so that's going to be next week's video. A future project is going to be this mini ramp and probably a bowl. I really feel like it's possible in this space. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. 2 months living in Sweden, a lot has happened, and yeah, I don't know, I'm kind of amazed myself. If you did like the video, like, subscribe, leave a comment, show it to other people, share it, I don't know. And I hope to see you in the next one.